know my name. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind.
We're out at Swingarm City, a legendary off-road spot here in Utah, and this place is crazy. It's like the moon. The Miata is gonna be so much fun. Layla's gonna start us off. Here we go. Wow! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Why do you hate it? You love it.
I feel like I'm gonna roll over.
Yeah! Woohoo! Mika, you ready to go for a ride? Let's go! Woohoo! This place is so dusty. It's just moon dust everywhere. Oh, Mika, where am I supposed to sit?
Girls only.
Girls only. Ah. All right. Good girl. Get your tail in. Oh, it's a little tight.
It's tight with the new seats.
Good girl. Look at that. You're so smart. What do you think of this place?
I like it. It's really pretty.
Do you like driving it?
I like being the passenger.
Poor Winky Shark is really struggling. I'm like flooring it everywhere I go and hardly even moving. And the battery is completely toast. I have to jump it every time we stop, basically. Luckily I got the battery jumper to make it a little bit easier. All right, buddy, let's go.
Yeah, taking these chances. They wouldn't give me the answers, so I gotta go out and get it. I'ma hold them off for ransom. This how I planned it. Did it right here where I'm standing. Came from the mud, they counted us out. Now we standing on the planet. They don't know just what to do with me. Promise this is nothing new to me. If you came in here to ruin me, hope you right nothing.
Constant roller coaster.
But it's the best kind of roller coaster because it's the one that, well, I'm in charge of it. You're not in charge
Exactly.
of it.
That's not good. I'm ready for a break.
Okay. You guys know I pretty much just ride Ken Block's nuts and do whatever he does. He made Terrakhana here, so we're making, I don't know, I'm not gonna call this Idiotkhana 2, but a fun little goof around. Should we film Idiotkhana 2 here? Let me know what you think down in the comments. All right, Swingarm City, the iconic berm thing. I don't know if it has an actual name, but it's the ridiculous one with a sheer drop off on the back. It's actually pretty hard to get all the way up it in the Miata, impossible actually, but hopefully we can get a sick shot. Foot to the floor in second gear. Woohoo! Wow. That's intense, I'll tell you, man. Like, so fun, but Miatas aren't supposed to be on walls like that. There's like a canyon 50 feet away from the edge where you're coming down. It's like so intense, but then I'm only getting like halfway up it. I don't know what else I can do though to go faster.
I got a lot of shine. Running up the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind. Lot of shine. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of grind. Pockets running over with the dollar signs. Try and take it from me. Big time. I got a lot of shine. Running up the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind. I'm big time, lot of shine. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try and take it from me, from me, from me. Big time, number 9. Got it in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind.